Hi guys, welcome back to Ray's Bakes, and today we are making lava cakes. You might think that, Reagan, this is super hard. How am I supposed to make it? Well, it's actually very easy. So first, I've melted a half a cup chocolate and a half a stick of butter. So now we are going to whisk in 3 egg yolks. Put that in the bowl. And then we're gonna whisk it. Whisk, 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 whisk. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're gonna shake in some salt. Shake, shake, shake. And whisk that up. Now it's all incorporated, it looks exactly the same as it started. So now we have 3 egg whites. We're gonna put that in a bowl. And use an electric mixer for this. High speed. Okay, I think it's about done. Glad that's over. Now we're gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar because sugar is amazing. It was a half cup. My dad just randomly measured it. We're gonna start this process all over again. Tips to how to check your egg whites. We're just gonna get all the egg whites off that. There. The most dangerous one. Okay, I think they're ready. Now we're gonna put our egg whites in our chocolate mixture. Now we are going to gently fold it in. Like this. This is going to take a while. Okay, I think we're almost there. Because you don't want to see white. Because white's just a horrible color. Comment below what your favorite color is. Okay, I think we're almost done. Okay, we're just gonna like do that. And I think we're done. And don't listen to my dad at the banana bread video. Don't eat the batter. Now, we're going to scoop it into our muffin tins. It's okay if they're full because it has no baking powder in it, so it won't rise. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. A good baker never wastes her or his time. Those are my annoying brothers, but also loving and caring. But like I said, sometimes annoying when they get in my room. Okay, I think we have 4 more to go. See if you have enough batter. This is an arm workout. Thank you. more to go. Let's see if we make it. Okay, not gonna make it. Extra piece of cake. I'm just gonna leave it there. Perfect timing! Now we are going to put it in for 5 minutes. Setting the timer. And now we wait. 5 minutes is up. They're still a little raw, but that's a good thing because we are going to put blocks of chocolate in each one. First, we're going to take it out just for a little bit. Then we're just going to place them in there. Want them to be about like this big, not too big and not too little. Because what's better than chocolate? And this is how you're going to get the ooey gooey lava you want. And now we're going to slide them back in the oven for another 5 minutes. And now we wait. Timer's beeping again for 5 minutes. We're going to turn it off. And then look at these babies. So if you want to know what they should look like that. I let them cool for about 10 minutes. And then after, get ready for the ooey gooey chocolate surprise. And also feel free to subscribe to my channel, Ray's Bakes. Bye!